So if you are preparing for the Maths Olympiad, this is again a challenging question. How to prove the sum of reciprocals of 5 solution to this following equation is 1 over 2001 5x raised to the power 5 plus 4x power 4 minus 3x power 3 plus 2x power 2 plus x minus 1 equals to 2000. Or this equation can be written as 5 5x to the power 5 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x power 3 plus 2x square plus x minus 2001 is 0. So it has certainly 5 roots. Let the roots are R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. Okay. Then we have to prove that to prove sum of the reciprocals, that means 1 by R over 1, R2, 1 plus R3, 1 over R4 plus 1 over R5 equals to 1 over 2001. So let's simplify this. The LCM will be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, and this is the summation of 4 taking at a time, R2, R3, R4, R5 plus R1, R3, R4, R5 plus R1, R2, R4, R5 plus R1, R2, R3, R5, and the last one is R1, R2, R3, R4. Then if we'll come to Vieta's rule, that is sum of the roots taken one at a time, that means R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 equals to negative b over a. Here negative b is 4, so minus 4 by 5. Of course, we don't need here. We need 4 at a time. Similarly, taking 2 at a time equals to your c by a. Taking 3 at a time, the sum is minus d by a, b by a, c by a, d by a, and taking 4 at a time, R1, R2, R3, R4 is e by a, and the product will be R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 equals to f by a. Here f is, it is negative f by a, so it is negative of negative 2001, it will be 2001 by 5. So let's put the value now. So the numerator will be e by a equals to 1 by 5, and this will be 2000 by 5. So this will be 1 over 2001. So is this simple? You can use the short form. I have written so many things. Once you understand, you can put directly that the product of 4 sum will be this one. So thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.